I was trying to slick my hair down and I slicked it for too long. So now I got a little dewy line. Ignore it, please. My energy is gonna be a little low because I am tired. It's almost 12. I'm looking at the camera weird because I don't have my glasses on. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Today I have a Culture Kings haul. This website be like selling other clothing brands clothes on it. And they be selling it for the low. Everything here, I got it on sale.
They got anime stuff, they got UFC stuff, they got movie stuff, they got everything.
But like clothing based. Let's just get into it. I don't know why I'm talking so much. The first item I'm gonna show y'all is this red jacket. Original price $80 or $90, got it for $20. $19.99 to be exact, and I didn't have to pay for shipping. So I got the extra small. This is how it look. Very cute, and now I'm gonna show y'all what it look like on. Can't see nothing, but from the silhouette that I see, I think it looks mad cute. It feels good. It feels very good. If y'all know what that's from, LOL. But if you don't, my bad. It has these little strings on the bottom, so I could tie it up. Hold up, don't tell me I can make it crop. Don't tell me. And yes, I can. Can you see the crop? I just gotta tie in a little knot and then it's crop. Give me a little second. And then hide the bow. Those low-ride jeans that I got from Urban Outfitters, if you watch my last video or the video before that one, I don't remember. This with that, stop playing with me. I could put a little hoodie underneath, boom. Like, it's versatile. I'll put a black hoodie underneath, of course. This is what the back look like. You know, it's all black. This is a win. I like this. Hold on, this is not even the best yet. I definitely feel like I could take off on somebody, like extremely lightweight. Extremely lightweight. I don't feel hot. If I was to do that in any other windbreaker, I would be hot by now. And I got a shirt underneath, so you tell me. You tell me if this is good or not. Let me get you a little unzip action. You know? A little unzip. You gotta get you one of these. So the next item is this t-shirt. Mind you, I seen this t-shirt during Christmas, or during, not even Christmas, what was it? Black Friday. I seen the shirt, but I was like, nah, like let me shop for other people, and plus I already bought the Black Friday stuff that I buy for myself, because I be buying stuff for myself on Black Friday because duh. But that's not the point. So I seen the shirt and I didn't get it. And like literally the day before I bought that shirt, I was driving, I was like, dang, I should have bought that t-shirt. Went on the website just for funsies. Saw the t-shirt on super sale. I think it was like $10 on the site. Snatched. It says, don't bark. Don't bark if you can't bite. 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 Yeah. So I had to get this, you feel me? And plus I got dogs, like, why would I not get this? I have dogs. It got 3 dogs on the shirt. Don't bark if you can't bite. I'm not gonna get that. If you have a dog, you'll understand exactly why I got this shirt. I don't really even gotta say too much. I already said too much. I need to stop talking. Just look. Security. Rats. R for rats. Freaks, drunks, and punks. Ooh, I don't know if I can say that. The collective that was formed to be sinners, not saints. Damn. I'm gonna scratch that part off the shirt because no, I'm definitely a saint. Was never a sinner. And it's gonna say the collective that was formed to be saints, and then take off the sinners not. It's literally just a t-shirt, so it's me showing y'all. It's gonna be mad. Dang, I'm scratching my arm mad loud. Yeah, it's just a basic, well, it's not a basic t-shirt. It was never a basic t-shirt, but it's a t-shirt. So, you know, my little twirly twirl gonna be quick because I already showed y'all mad at the shirt. So here's a little close up on the front again. Here's what the back is giving. Don't bark if you can't bite. Don't if you can't. Yeah, I'm mad excited about this shirt. Can't wait to wear it. But on to the next item. One of the items I'm most excited for, mind you, I already opened it because I'm that excited. So if you don't know, been an anime girly since forever. Was raised on the anime, like I know everything. So you know I had to get the OG anime, top 10 anime, argue with somebody else that's not me. Need I say more? With Kagome on the front, I was supposed to leave Kagome at the store so everybody else could buy her. It's sold out, mind you. It's sold out and I got it on sale and it's sold out. Let's talk about it. Actually, let's not talk about it. Let me put it on and let me let it talk for itself. Well, I don't have to talk about it. It's gonna talk for me. I like some of my clothes tight and I like some of my clothes loose. In this instance, the purpose of why I bought this hoodie, I wanted it to be a little loose, so that works. It's not saggy loose, you feel me? It's fitted to my body loose. I didn't struggle to put it on, you know? Like, it was like a shoom boom. It did kind of mess up my slick down that I got the dewy line for, but that's okay because I knew that was gonna happen. Inuyasha Go Crew clearly because Inuyasha's goated, so that's why they would put something like that on the sweater. Duh. If you're not getting nothing from Culture Kings, what are you doing? Seriously. They got it all. You wasting your time if you're not purchasing your stuff from them, especially if you're not going to that sale rack. Get yourself something nice. Tell them Troy sent you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.